Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Alicia and you're watching Something About Alicia. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup, my outfit I'm wearing, and also the fragrance that I have on. This is a first for my channel, so I hope you guys like it. But before we start, I want to tell you about a company called Dossier.
Dossier is a fragrance house that creates scents inspired by popular brands we know and love like Dior, Chanel, and even Tom Ford. They do this by eliminating unnecessary packaging, advertising, and prestige pricing that designer brands have. They manage to focus all of their efforts on the quality of the fragrance and on delivering the exact same scent, upholding the same quality standards in order to bring their customers an affordable alternative to their designer fragrance. Each Dossier order comes in a sleek, minimal 50 ml bottle with a magnetic top. In the event you don't love your scent, Dossier offers free returns at no cost to you. Later on in the video, I will be sharing what my scent of the day is. Now, let's jump into the makeup. Today, I'm wearing Dossier's interpretation of Chloe by Chloe. I love this long-lasting, beautiful floral scent because it's vibrant, intimate, and sensual. A perfect summer scent for brunch or a lunch date. I found that this fragrance has a graceful sillage that will softly capture anyone's attention. Definitely a 5-star scent for me.
To the very end, I want to tell you about a giveaway I'm having. I'm going to be picking 2 winners and sending them 2 Dossier fragrances. Dossier is not affiliated with this giveaway. This is something I'm doing all by myself. So if you want to participate and possibly win 2 fragrances, go ahead and leave your Instagram name down below. Make sure you're following me here on YouTube and on Instagram. And in the next video, I'm going to be letting you know who won. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching.